Alright, let's replace the air filter on this Kia Rio today. It's going to be the same process for 2011 to 2017. This one happens to be a 2017. Might even be the same airbox for the newer ones. The Hyundai Veloster also has the same airbox. So, really pretty simple. Get these little pins here it's going to hang from, so after you unclamp the front you just need to slide it slightly that way and then up, like so. There's the air filter. So then when you put it back in, you just need to realign those tabs, make sure it goes on there all nice and flush. Your filter's going to pull out like this. See? Obviously the rim of it goes on the top. Stick it back in. Line your pins back up. Make sure it's down all the way. Then clamp it back on. Pretty freaking simple. If these give you any real resistance clamping it back on, then you must not have it back down all the way. So I'm not replacing the filter because I'm putting a cold air intake on it. Make sure you check that video out if you're wanting to do the same.